polar bear finds a seal basking in the sun. His dog wants to get close. But because seals are very sensitive to the movement of the ice surface, as a result, every step he takes may be discovered. To increase the success rate of hunting, he decided to attack from underwater, kill him by surprise. And I was expecting the seals to be surprised by the polar bears. I just realized that this stupid bear was swimming in the wrong direction. Fortunately, the seals at this time did not the polar bear dived into the water again, ready to attack. Hey, I found the wrong place again this time. But compared to last time, this time it's a little bit closer. The bear dived underwater again. This time he can definitely kill the seal by surprise. Well, it's a silly bear. Life has to go on, roaring again. Broken and found. Due to global warming, there's less ice to keep the polar bear alive. Without the cover of ice, the environment for the polar bear matters is getting worse. If he doesn't find any prey in the future, then he might starve to death on this desperate journey. As the main food for polar bears, seals are very vigilant when resting. Just a little sound on the ice, he could have made a quick escape from the recent freeze. Therefore, polar bears have had to change their hunting strategies. When the target is found, polar bears dive underwater from a distance. Launch a quick raid when the seals let down their guard. According to human studies, polar bears only succeed in 1 out of every 10 hunts. Such odds make their daily lives a huge challenge. In order not to starve to death, he dried the water off his body and moved on. He stood up and looked for signs of the seals. Climb to the top. Smell the air. But the number of seals is pitifully small. There may only be 2 within a 3-kilometer radius. This time he must seize the opportunity. He went in a big circle, sneak behind the seal. If it doesn't work this time, then he will be 1 step closer to starving to death. The seal is in the water again. It also means he will be free from the pursuit of polar bears again. As the sea slowly returns to peace, the polar bear hunt has failed. After the heaven pavilion, he emerged from the water. But the incredible thing is that he actually bit the tail of the seal in his mouth. This time he succeeded. His success saved him from having to worry about food for the next week. Eat the fat of this seal. Polar bears also get their most important energy, so he can survive in extreme conditions.